To attach ActiveWear to SONNET2, first attach the ActiveWear connector to the control unit, in the same way as a disposable or rechargeable battery pack. Slide the cover over the connector and lock it into place. Attach any SONNET2 battery pack to the ActiveWear battery pack connector. Slide the battery pack cover apart from the FM cover over the battery pack and lock it into place. Slide the silicone ring of the attachment clip over the battery pack cover. The hole in the attachment clip should snap onto the button on the battery pack connector. The battery pack can now be clipped to clothing. Alternatively, the Huggy accessory can be used to attach it to clothing, particularly useful for children.